Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how JetHexa execute line following. Okay, the first step is to open the terminal. Then, input this command to start line following. And at the end of the command, we need to add the color parameter. Behind the equal sign, input the target color, for example, red. And JetHexa will follow the red line to move. Press enter. After the game starts, please don't place the red object within the field of view of the camera.